Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Slow English with Mr. Moro. My name is Sophia. We are so happy you are here to practice your English with us.
Hello, Sophia, and a very warm hello to all of our amazing listeners. I am Leo. It is wonderful to be back. Today, we are going to fix a small but very common mistake.
Yes, today we will talk about two small words that can be very confusing for learners. Those two words are to and enough.
Ah, yes. These words are small, but they are very powerful. They help us say if something is good or bad, right or wrong. Using them correctly will make your English sound much more natural.
But many students are not sure how to use them. So today, we will make it very, very simple. We will explain each word with easy examples.
By the end of this episode, you will understand the difference, and you will be ready to use these words with confidence. Let us begin with the first word.
Okay, Leo, let us start with the word to. T-O-O. What does this word mean?
That is the perfect place to start. The word to means more than what you want, or more than what is good. It almost always has a negative meaning. It means there is a problem.
I like that. To means there is a problem. Can you give us an example?
Of course. Imagine you have a cup of coffee. You like sweet coffee. You put in 1 spoon of sugar. It is good. You put in 2 spoons of sugar. It is great. But then you put in 10 spoons of sugar.
Oh no!
Exactly. Now, the coffee is bad. It is too sweet. It has more sugar than is good.
That is a perfect example. Too sweet is a problem, so we use to talk about a negative thing. What about an example with temperature?
A great idea. If you have a bowl of soup and it burns your mouth, you can say, "This soup is too hot." It is more hot than you want.
And if it is winter and you go outside without a jacket, you can say, "It is too cold. It is more cold than is good for you."
Exactly. So, the simple rule is you use to plus an adjective. An adjective is a describing word like hot, cold, sweet, big, or small. This box is too heavy. I cannot lift it. This shirt is too small. It does not fit me.
In all these examples, to shows us there is a problem. That is very clear.
Okay, now let us look at our second word, enough. E-N-O-U-G-H. This word is a little different.
How is it different?
Enough means the right amount or the needed amount. It is usually a positive or a good thing. If to is a problem, enough is the solution.
Okay, so in your coffee example, 2 spoons of sugar was sweet enough. It was the right amount of sweet.
You got it. It was perfect. And here is the most important thing to remember. The grammar is different. The word order is different.
This is a very important point for our listeners.
Yes. With to, we said too hot. The word to comes before the adjective. But with enough, the word enough comes after the adjective.
So we do not say enough warm, we say warm enough.
Exactly. Let us use an example. Imagine you want to go swimming. The water needs to be warm. If the water feels good, you can say, The water is warm enough to swim. It has the right amount of warmth.
Or if a boy wants to get a book from a high shelf, he needs to be tall. If he can get the book, we can say he is tall enough to reach the shelf.
Perfect examples. Warm enough, tall enough. But what if there is a problem? What if there is less than you need?
This is where we use the word not.
That is right. If the coffee is not sweet, we can say, it is not sweet enough. This means I need more sugar.
Or if a child wants to watch a movie for adults, we can say, you are not old enough to watch this movie. You need to be older.
So, we have two ways to use enough. Adjective, enough. This is good. The room is warm enough. Not plus adjective enough. This is a problem. The room is not warm enough.
This is very clear. So let us summarize for everyone. Two means more than you need. It is a problem. The word comes before the adjective. Enough means the right amount. The word comes after the adjective.
That is the perfect summary. Let us go back to our soup one last time. If it burns your mouth, it is too hot. If it is cold and you don't like it, it is not hot enough. If it is the perfect temperature, it is hot enough.
Too hot is a problem. Not hot enough is also a problem. But hot enough is perfect.
Exactly. If you can remember that, you will never be confused by these two words again.
And that's our simple guide to using to and enough. We hope this lesson was clear and helpful for you.
Remember, the word order is the most important part. Too big, but big enough. It can feel strange at first. The best way to learn is to practice.
Don't worry if you make mistakes. Every mistake is a step forward. You are all doing a great job on your English journey.
And for our question of the day, we want you to practice. Go to the comment section below. Write one simple sentence using either to or enough.
For example, you can write, my coffee is too hot, or my room is warm enough, or I am not tall enough to play basketball.
We would love to see your sentences. Thank you for listening to Slow English with Mr. Moro.
Keep up the great work. We will be back soon with another lesson. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.